Greetings to all. Welcome back to your science class. Let's continue with our topic animals found in tropical rainforest. First, toucan. Toucans are found in South and Central America in the canopy layer of the rainforest. They are very important to the rainforest as they help to disperse seeds of the fruits and berries they eat. It has a long and large beak, and this helps it to reach the fruits on branches that are otherwise too weak to support its body weight. The beaks help to squash many kinds of nuts and berries. Next feature is its bright color provides a good camouflage in the dappled light of the rainforest canopy. Toucan has sharp claws on each leg, two at the front and two at the back. It uses them to make its grip on trees and hop from one tree to another. Next is Asian elephant. Asian elephants are very strong, social and intelligent animals. Now let us discuss about the adaptations that help them to survive in their natural habitat. They live in warm tropical areas but do not have sweat glands. They cool down themselves by flapping their ears to fan themselves. Second, elephants are herbivores and eat tremendous amounts of fibrous plants, and the constant chewing wears their teeth down, and due to this they typically go through 6 sets of teeth in their lifetime. Third, they use their trunk as a cooling system to squirt water on their back or to spray dirt on their skin to prevent sunburn. Trunk is also used to lift or move large objects. They make a wide range of sounds including grunting, trumpeting and growling. The sounds are used for various reasons, from greeting each other to showing happiness. But the most important use of these sounds is for warning the herd of danger. The ivory tusk of the male Asian elephant are used for many useful tasks such as for digging water holes, removing bark from trees, uprooting trees and as a weapon. That's all in this video. Thank you.